Farming can be one of the most rewarding businesses in the world, but it's also one of the easiest to fail in if you don't know what you're doing. Every year, thousands of new farmers invest time, effort, and money into their farms, only to give up after a few months because they made simple mistakes that could have been avoided. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 costly mistakes that new farmers make, and most importantly, how you can avoid them to save money, time, and energy. My name is John from AGROSMART, and if you love smart farming ideas and agribusiness tips, hit that subscribe button, because here, we turn green into gold. Mistake 1, starting without proper research. This is the #1 reason new farmers fail. Many people jump into farming because they saw someone making money with tomatoes or poultry, and they assume it'll work the same way for them. But here's the truth, farming success depends on your location, your soil, and your market. Before you plant anything, study your local climate. Find out which crops do well in your area and which ones sell the most at your local market. Talk to agricultural officers, visit other farms, and learn from people already in the business. That research phase will save you from wasting months and thousands of naira on crops that won't thrive where you are. Mistake 2, poor record keeping. This mistake may sound small, but it's huge. A lot of farmers don't track how much they spend on fertilizer, seeds, or labor. Then when it's harvest time, they don't even know if they made a profit or a loss. Farming is a business, and every business needs records. Keep a small notebook or spreadsheet with all your costs, harvest quantities, and sales. Even if you start small, proper record keeping will help you plan better, reduce waste, and know exactly where your money is going. Mistake 3, poor water and soil management. Water and soil are the foundation of farming, but new farmers often ignore both. Some water too much and drown their crops, others forget irrigation completely. The same goes for soil, they plant without knowing the nutrient content or pH level. The fix is simple, test your soil before planting. You can get cheap test kits or contact local agricultural services. And for irrigation, plan your water supply before the dry season comes. Remember, healthy soil plus controlled water equals higher yield. Mistake 4, focusing on only one crop. Most new farmers put all their hopes into a single crop, like maize, tomatoes, or rice. But here's the problem, what happens if pests attack that crop or market prices crash? Diversify your farm. Try growing 2 or 3 crops with different maturity times or mix crops with small livestock like snails, catfish, or chickens. That way, if one side fails, another keeps your income steady. Smart farmers always have a backup. Mistake 5, skipping training or mentorship. Farming looks easy online, but in reality, it's full of small technical steps that can make or break your results. You don't have to go to university to learn, you just need mentorship. Follow experts, watch tutorials, like this one, attend farm visits, or even volunteer for a few weeks at a local farm. You'll learn things no textbook will ever teach you, like how to handle pests, when to fertilize, and how to sell better. Mistake 6, selling without a market plan. Many farmers focus 100% on growing, and 0% on selling. The truth is, your profit is not made at harvest, it's made the moment you know who will buy your crops. Before you even plant, identify your potential buyers, market women, supermarkets, exporters, or local processors. Build relationships early. That way, by the time your crops mature, you already know where they are going. Without a market plan, you may end up selling cheaply out of desperation. Mistake 7, giving up too early. Farming requires patience. You can do everything right and still face unexpected challenges, weather changes, pest attacks, or low prices. But here's the truth, every successful farmer failed once or twice before getting it right. The goal isn't perfection, it's persistence. Learn from your mistakes, adjust, and try again. Each season makes you smarter. Avoid these 7 mistakes, and you'll already be ahead of 80% of new farmers. Remember, farming isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to AGROSMART, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next farming tip. Let's grow smart together.